Hi folks, I'm out with Hayden today and we're going to go and check out the old sawmill that's here at Glenfarg. So I've been here before, but just going to show Hayden and see how much has changed since the last time. So I hope you enjoy. Right, so right for the start, I have forgotten the gimbal. But hopefully that won't matter. Yeah. So I'm going to put that there. Oh, all those crates have all been smashed up. They were all in reasonable condition. There's kind of been like these belts as well. Thought it was me, fuck's sake. I was like, eh! Oh, the saw blade.
If you watch that saw on this saw.
Oh, aye.
Oh, giant. That's cool.
Fucking hell. So that one would be operating at the same time as that one. So rather than having two different engines.
It's just the one operating the boat.
Aye.
That's a big saw.
Yeah, the spare one's there, huh? Well, it would have been, I think, because you got the chimney on the outside, there would have been an engine in here somewhere that would have then been driving, you know, that wheel there probably. So that would probably be one of those belts coming off, attaching onto another, you know.
An engine that's got one on it that turbs it.
Yeah. Yeah, so that would attach onto that, then that would operate that, and that operates that. So they would all be interlinked. So those ones there in the middle are probably the drive belts.
That's what.
Yeah. So that belt's probably attached to something.
You see, it's the only one that's got an actual belt that holds it steady.
Yeah. So that would be then operating the, you know, the engine would have then been, I don't know, say. Yeah.
It's a pretty long belt.
Or, I don't know. And then obviously they would put their logs on there and then cut it.
I'm surprised it's still done.
So at the top, Graham Perth. So the manufacturer on the top there as well. So there's a manufacturer on the side. You can imagine, like, they'd have obviously they've got the back end open there, because the length of the logs that they would have to bring in, and then they would have the table continuing down there, feeding it on, and then cutting it. And then maybe this one for cutting it into...
Weird bits.
Uh,
Checking that in your shed.
yep. Looks like some of the stuff's made its way out, because I recognise that box from in there. Oh wow. And
Tickets in there.
aye, that's the ones I was on about. Oh, cool. See, there's a state, so it says, obviously that's where it was getting shipped to.
Yeah.
Because there was ones I found that had such and such castle written on it. I can't remember what the name of the castle was. Scots pine again. Larch. Two 464. So my mum would have been 3.
At 1964.
Yeah. Ah, so in here was all the Balmano Castle. There you go. Instant coffee.
Someone must have been trying to make a coil. Instant coffee, dry malt.
Good. They're like, you want a cuppa? No, it's alright. There's one for you, Hunter. It's a decent little trestle for work. No, I'll wait saying that when we get him this. Probably still studded than the ones at Thompson's. Right, so despite the fact that it is a really long belt, wouldn't you see why they would have it? If the engine is in, well, was in there where we thought it was, having that belt going all the way across to there is a bit of a health and safety risk, even for the 60s. So we're thinking maybe we try to look on the the rafters to see if maybe there was any brackets for any pulleys, or when there's that there, so maybe there was a wheel on there, and maybe they went up to there, and maybe there was a secondary wheel that went through there down to the engine. Because then you're not gonna have to have the workman coming in going, hold on a minute, step over the belt. You know. But logically, that's what I would think it would be. It would be maybe a couple of, maybe a wheel up there, so it goes up to there, and then along to here, and then there would be another wheel from there down to wherever the engine had been. You see, there's a wee kind of bracket up there, isn't there? There's not even that metal sheet that you said.
Oh, on this side.
It's not on that side, is it? So maybe where we thought the engine was. But, so maybe it was up there. And then went along to there, or...
It's the only place you can think of. Roof.
Yeah, because maybe they had the engine in there, wheel going up to, or maybe the drive wheel was up there, then you maybe have a pulley going along to a wheel there, and then it connected to that belt, which then goes down to there. Maybe. That's the only way I think would make sense. So there we go. Thought a wee look around. It's changed a wee bit since the last time I was here, but still plenty of stuff to show Hayden, and I think he's quite chuffed with it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share, and catch you later.
Pretty good, eh?
What you got them? You got brambles there across there? Alright. Ow. Look at the hook there.
They're all the things that look like ears of it. They actually look like ears. What the hell?
There's the stairs that we went up. Yeah, that shows you how old it is. Right.
The electrical.
Alright, aye, probably would be, aye, because I'm sure that was in the wall the last time I was here. Yeah, it was up there. So it's either falling it or... Fucking hell, look at that.
Mouldy.
Fuck. Sure that was all filled in the last time I was here. Sure the straw was all piled up. Can't mind.
It's a lot. Way there.
Didn't miss anything before we go that way. Right, that answers that question.
Seems
Yeah, right, there's a body under there.
This is it.
Oh, fuck, aye. This is where you get knocked back.
Depends on the floor, man. Electrical.
A bird nest in the corner. Get off my bug.
Maybe that log up there.
Eh?
That log. How'd they get up there?
Oh.
Chuck up. Spied that guy out there. We shot him as well.
Oh.
Picked up, it was a wee bit heavy, I thought it was still full.
Right.
Fire that.
Yeah. I'm sure, I remember the last time I was here, it was a crow, a dead crow that was lying there. Or bits of a dead crow.
With traps and everything.
Fuck the Tories.
Oh no.
Don't trust the Masons.
The Masons? Again?
Yeah. Somebody's got in for the Masons. Oh.